Aloha Ducky Squad! Today I'm going to show you all the ways you can become a rat. Why? Because it's fun smiley face. I have 3 different ways that I can show you to become that. Whoa, this music is a vibe. We shall become these beautiful potatoes. Help! Why do I feel like this is going to happen to me soon? Let's get to the point. The first way I will show you is to get the rat potion for free. You are going to come out of the front of the burger shop. Take a sharp left. What are these rats doing here? This is not normal. Buy the Ratatouille click. Okay, so now let's turn into this alleyway. As you can see, there is a fancy sewer lid behind this beautiful sliver of a fence. Click on less sewer lid. You have now entered the rat base. Now the mistake I made was to check for a bridge. I forgot to do that. Sometimes there's a bridge and sometimes there's not. Me now realizing there is no bridge. What to do in this situation is 1. Go back to the burger shop. You can use the ladder to go up. 2. Buy any box of food you would like. I like fries, so. Okay, now let's order my fries. Let's grab the fry boxes. Oh yeah, forgot little potatoes can steal boxes. Okay, now, take the open box, place it under you and jump. Keep jumping or are going to fall. So now we've got to fly on over to the sewer lid. Interact with it without letting go of the box. Now we just fly on over to the other side. Don't fall in the sewage. Here is your secret rat potion that you've been waiting on. We are now potato. We can now steal food and go into the mouse holes. Welp, time to move on to the next way. The next way is to purchase the rat potion in the shop. To do this, you have to make money by actually making customers' requests. You need to make a total of $15. I'll just speed up the part where I'm making the food requests. BC, it's boring. It took me 5 minutes and 22 seconds, with some unusual problems. I like to make fries for the customers. They are the easiest and fastest to make. I put the fries down, then get a plate, 'cause I always somehow forget a plate. A little mistake incoming. Whoops. Okay, I need to go restart those fries again. Let's throw these away and get back to making some money. Here is the last of the money that we need. Now that we have what we need, I'm ahead to the ATM to get our money that we made. Enter out $15. Press OK and it gives you a $10 and $5 bills. I like to hide them in the store in case someone comes along and tries to steal it when I'm transporting them. Behind his desk there is a green bottle, just like the one in the sewers. Place it on the tray. Grab your monies. Place on other tray. Once the money disappears, you bought the potion. While we are in the shop, it brings us to the third and final way. You can buy perm rat for Robux. All rats that you can buy for Robux have special abilities and powers. So that's the 3 ways you can become a rat in Cook Burgers. Hope you enjoyed. Here's a tip. When you are a mouse, cats will try to eat you. But as shown, cats can fall asleep on the job sometimes. Thanks for staying this long. You can see some extra clips. Let's go annoy the dude that works in the market. If you are curious on what it would be like if a cat ate me, you can keep watching. Yeah, that was all. That reminds me of another cat idea. Boom, I teleported to back of the burger shop. To get to this building, you take a right from the back of the burger shop into this pink and gray building. Go up the stairs and you can find 2 locked up cats. So if you ever feel like you have too much of a rat problem, you can get these cats and unleash them in your shop. Sometimes if you pick up a cat, it can get free. And then it runs around like it's on fire. Moving on, I saw a cat that looked, Ip NVM. Here's a free clip of me being rat.
He just teleported.